Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can find the battery health percentage of your laptop, and this works on both Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. Now to find the battery health of your laptop, go to the Start menu and type CMD. This is the command prompt. Right-click and run it as an administrator. Now in the command prompt, simply type power cfg/battery report and press enter. So this will save the battery life support to this link. Simply copy this path, press Ctrl+C and open any browser and paste the link here. By the way, you do not need any internet connection for this. Press enter. So here is the battery report. This is the PC details and here is the installed battery details. So my original battery capacity was nearly 52,000 megawatt-hour and now the full charge capacity has dropped to 43920. If you want to figure out the battery percent, open the calculator, divide the full charge capacity, that is 43920, and divide by design capacity 51999 and multiply by 100. So the battery capacity for this laptop is 84.46%. And here are other details as well. Anyway, we hope this video was useful to you. Thank you very much.